Mother and baby grade steel. Multifunctional for stir frying, making cakes, etc. with fast micro-pressure cooking speed. 1. Imported 1810s precision steel is used, with a purity of 99.9% and no excess of heavy metals. Meeting the international maternal and infant safety standards, it is suitable for pregnant mothers and babies. 2. WOCING constant temperature technology, 360-degree constant temperature heat conduction, effectively controls the amplitude of thermal expansion and contraction of the pot bottom, heats more evenly, saves twice the speed, and cooking only requires using low to medium heat. There is no need to add too much oil during the cooking process, reducing the risk of high cholesterol caused by excessive oil and achieving light oil and low smoke. Can be used to make cakes. Functions such as stir frying, cooking rice, making noodles, deep frying, waterless cooking, and frying eggs. 3. Thickened 5-layer steel integrated die casting molding. The material is very thick, more sturdy and durable, compared with the composite bottom milk pot on the market. There is no need to worry about the bottom falling off, and the one pot is passed down for 3 generations. 4. The rounded C-angle sanding design can avoid scratches as much as possible, making it easy to clean. The inner wall of the pot has rounded corners, making it convenient for food mixing, thorough pouring, cleaning, and heat blocking. 5. German US nano mirror polishing technology, as bright as a mirror, showing luxury. The pot body is not easy to oxidize and turn black, easy to clean, and still looks new after 10 years of use. 6. Tempered glass, resistant to high temperatures of 260 degrees Celsius and low temperatures of -40 degrees Celsius. Using tempered technology, scratch resistant and wear resistant, and able to see changes inside the pot at any time. 7. Italian brand, exported to Europe, with EU food safety and quality assurance. 8. No stoves, various stoves such as gas stoves, induction cookers, electric ceramic stoves, Electa.